In today's video, we're going to talk about what it looks like to have a sump pump installed in your basement. We recently went to a home that had the sump pump being installed. It was mostly installed, and so you can see what goes into the installation, the pieces that make up that system, so that you know what it looks like for a sump pump in your basement and what it should look like for anyone putting a sump pump in your basement. We've already done 2 videos, so this is the 3rd video in this series where we've talked about the drainage and what it looks like when your wall starts to bow in. If you haven't seen those, make sure that you check those out before kind of moving on with this. It'll really help make sense of this video and what the components are going into this sump pump. So here we have a sump pump system that is mostly installed, and there's several important components of this system to make sure that the drainage system around your home works successfully. The first thing I'd like to point out is our check valve on our discharge lines. All of our discharge lines are 2-inch diameter PVC pipe. So what this check valve does is it does a couple different things for you. Number one, it makes sure that the water is being pumped out of the system since it's clear and it's visible for you as a homeowner. The discharge is there to make sure that the water does not flow back down into the pit, causing that pump to have to work twice as hard to achieve the same outcome. As we get into the pit, inside this pit, we have a primary that's a half-horse sump pump. This is going to work 90% of the time. This is going to get plugged right into an outlet, and this is going to be your primary sump pump that gets this water out of this basement. With that is the battery backup system. So this kicks on in case there's so much water that the primary pump can't keep up, or obviously you lose electricity. And so these 2 pumps will get plugged in. The battery will be constantly charged and prepared for when that electricity goes out, and to make sure that it still does its job. The sump pump's location is also very valuable for us as we look at what's going to make the drainage system successful, and as you as a homeowner on what's convenient for you. So we're going to watch to make sure that this sump pump is in a corner. And why we do this in a corner is you can see the drain actually entering in through the pit and making sure that it's above the float system so that it never backs up in the drain system as long as the pump's working properly. But it's in a corner where we're getting 2 different tracks coming together. So this gives our drainage system the best chance of working properly and very efficiently. The other thing you want to pay attention to as a homeowner on your sump pit placement is it going to be in a closet? Is it going to be maybe in the laundry room? Something that's out of the way. You don't necessarily want this pit in your living room, in the kitchen area of your basement, or anything like that. So we really want to pay attention to where this sump pump is located and make sure that we can get it discharged efficiently and out to an area where that water is going to run away from the home quickly and not come back towards the home as well. Thank you for watching this video. And like I said before, if you haven't watched the other 2, make sure that you check those out. If you would like to have somebody come out and look at maybe replacing the sump pump and pit that you already have in your home, or you're just looking to get one in your home because you're seeing that moisture, you're seeing water in your basement, you can go to our webpage, acculevel.com, click the book a consultation button, and we'll get you a project advisor to come out and really assess your home, assess the options that you have with either a new sump pump or replacing the one that you've got. If you're not already subscribed to our channel, please make sure that you do so. You're missing out on a lot of great content to help you learn about what's possible to prevent issues in your home, as well as how to help you diagnose any kind of issues that you may be seeing. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit that like and subscribe button.